don't worry. All that drinking and all that eating, it didn't go to waste, because we are going to make the cutest little pumpkins ever for Thanksgiving. Alright guys, for quarantine craft number 1. So first we're going to start with an orange, a dark red, and a brown. We're going to take empty soup cans and add 2 layers of orange paint. After the layers of paint dry, then you want to either mix your orange and your brown or your orange and your red paint and add another small layer. Once it's dry, then you want to add your Spanish moss and wine corks and flower leaves. Quarantine craft number 2. Grab scrap wood and paint orange. Next, add red streaks. To finish, add some hot glue, some Spanish moss, and a wine cork and some leaves. Quarantine craft number 3. We're going to take 5 to 6 rolls of toilet paper and 2 old sweaters. I know you can find a sweater. I'm sure we've all grown out of some sweaters since last year. We're going to cut off the leaves and we're going to shove a roll of toilet paper down each one of the arms. Next, you want to tuck the sweater into the top and the bottom. You can either finish off with either adding a stick into the top or you can add a wine cork to the top. And then you can also be creative and add some cute little leaves. To get 2 more from one sweater, you want to cut at the chest and cut at the seams. subscribe. I am watching you. Whoopsie! If you thought my stuff was cool, you need to hit the subscribe button.